Cosmic Chrome 42 6-box. We're doing these star clusters random left, middle, right. 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth and final. It is going left. Left of the star clusters on number 42. Let's see some stuff. Good luck. Can I be greedy and ask for like some reds? I don't know why, but I actually enjoy reds just as much as I enjoy a super. The red just pops on baseball cards. The reds just absolutely pop. What's up, Fishy? Doing good, baby. Doing real good. We had a real hot start today. Real hot. We did a pristine just now. The pristine kind of put some ice on the fire, I would say, but it was pristine. We got a 1 of 5 J-Rod, 1 of 1 Shohei, Uranus of Carroll, to 5 of Polar Pete, Trout Auto today. That stand looking pretty crazy right now. The stand is looking full. We are trying to fill up. Let's do it, Fishy. We are trying to also fill our 5-case Cosmic Chrome, guys. We got 8 teams left with a couple of value teams in there with the Brew Crew. Value with the Twins. Value with the Astros on there. I'd love to try a 5-caser. I'm dead serious. Let's go 5 superfractors for 5 today. Let's go. Let's go. I gotta admit, we've had supers on like almost every day that I've been on baseball. It's been pretty awesome. I enjoy hitting them, especially when they're notables. Yeah, we gotta hit a superfractor bounty. Exactly. Let's do it, Tobin. We need him to recruit, Seattle. Let's go. I seen you with the Diamondbacks, the Orioles again. I don't know if you had Mariners again. Did you? You did. You did. Let's go. Get one more J-Rod. I believe. What's up, Dimo?
Hi, Dimo.
Are you throwing the leg on those Sheilas, Dimo?
He's throwing the leg?
He's throwing the leg.
Oh, boy.
Dimo's throwing his leg. He's throwing 2 legs. Dun-dun-dun. On them Sheilas. There's only one Sheila for Mr. Demo, and that's Mr. Demo. Tell him, Demo.
Take your 5-caser, guys.
5-case channel.
5-case.
You do 5 cases.
Apparently, yes. Good luck, everyone, on baseball.
Can I get 2 packs of regular sleeves?
Sure.
And I'll take a case of 35 before you leave, please.
What?
Take 2 cases, 35, please.
2 cases.
Yeah. Good luck. Thank you for the reload.
Welcome.
Green of Blade. Really? Erie? That makes me feel better. I feel better. Orange. It's Vientos orange for the Mets to 25. I couldn't contain myself in the Costco parking lot, Demo. I couldn't. The only thing crappy about it is it was damn stuffy. Couldn't leave the windows down. All those people picking up the shopping carts made too much noise.
That was scary.
I gotta go find it, Erie. I honestly have to go find it because I didn't see it. Unless it's like in our shipping area, like if it came in yesterday, that would make sense. It just didn't go on our shelf. There's an Adley. Carol. Grosjean, still $199 on the teal shimmer. Box 2, good luck. Soto, Carroll, Alvarez, Tatis, Alvarez, J-Rod, what is that? Mercury. Mercury. Baseball should be on tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, hey, I gotta rough it on the road, bro. Good luck on the Mercury, guys. Ooh. Who had the Orioles? That's a Adley Rutschman Mercury. For Mr. First Timer Mojo, the Sea Otter. Nice Mercury on the Adley. Nice. Mr. Sea Otter. Let's go. I'll throw that in with your Corbin Uranus, bro. I'll throw it in. That way, though, you'll get those two cards a little faster from your regular cards on Shimon, bro. Valdez to 199 for the Stros. Come on, give us some ink. Yoshida. All right, 2 boxes. No ink yet. It must be marinating for us over here. It's marinating. Case up real quick. This is the second half of it, Demo. We had a crazy day. We've had a crazy day. We did about, I think this is my 3rd case of this now. Red J-Rod, 101 Shohei, a Trout auto, another red Polar auto. Polar Pete. Been pretty ridiculous. Today has been pretty ridiculous. 43 will be a fresh case, guys. That might be the last of Cosmic we have. Again, unless we have a shipment maybe tomorrow. Then maybe we'll have more Cosmic I can add for you guys. But other than that, aside from the 5-caser, what I have in the store, I think might be the last. Maybe we have another case or two if I miscounted. But pretty much the last part. The last stacks of the cases. Gold. Have some ink. I don't see a player and I don't see any ink. It's Garcia for the Nats on a gold. Adley. Volpe. Come on, focus. Valdez on a green. Second half. Demo, second half, bro. Hey, it's a miracle. Nice auto for Sherlock. That's a refractor of Anthony Volpe. He exists with the hammer. Out of nowhere. That did surprise me. I ain't gonna lie. That came out of nowhere. Nice hit for Sherlock. There we go. All right, I think that just broke the Volpe curse, boys. I think that finally broke our Volpe curse. Amaya Blue. Corbin. Frank Thomas, the big hurt. The Volpe curse has officially been lifted here on Blez Baseball. It's crazy. The curse just got lifted. Yeah, I know. That signature was weird. I didn't know he signed shorter. All right, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. All right, good auto to start. Come on, Hama needs a taco. I have not hit any taco. I hit one taco the other day on Breaker's Delight. First taco I ever hit. Another good ending to this case so far. Should have a couple more autos. Hopefully a couple more planets. Last few cases had a lot of planets. Can we see a red or something, please? I want to see another red. Senga. Another Mercury. Wow. That's a Shohei Ohtani for the bees needs on the Mercury. Sheesh. This bees needs, guys. I'll throw that in with your other Shohei on the Beat the Sword. I'll throw that in, bro. I'll throw it in. What up, 12? 1227, whose username, for some reason, it's just not clicking in my head. Use 1227, because I don't know why I always forget. But once I see your username, I'll remember. Roshan's on a refractor. Gunner. Trey Mancini. I know, Brink. We haven't ran any of them yet, bro. Two left. Come on. Nice Yoshida to 199 for the Red Sox. Ohtani. Jimenez. Corbin. Come on, looking for an auto here. Fletcher. Refractor. Nito, blue for the Angels. Nope. Wow. Are we gonna have under the average amount of autos now? What the hell? How many autos do we have in the last one? One or two? All right. Cool. Thank you, Brink. We had one in the first half, and I had this Volpe in the second. And Yankees get their Peraza. Good thing I hit the Volpe first. All right, so we're at two. Maybe we have two autos over here. Maybe. So Yankees hit their rookies. Rodriguez. So we're at three. All right, maybe we'll see one more auto, maybe. Scherzer blue. Trey Turner, come on. Arenado, Teal. Ooh, got shorted one. We got shorted one. Unfortunately, we did get the one short. Well, at least the autos were worth it. Oh no, here comes Mufasa and B-Steed. Where's Harvey? Harvey should be joining us any second. Alright, that wasn't a bad six boxer, guys. What's up, Vincent? Harvey Inku. And then who we missing over here? Where's my other boy? Planetary Pursuits, Mercuries of Adley and Showtime, a nice Volpe, and Peraza auto from my boy Sherlock. I'm going to add these to your guys' Beat the Sorts on the Otanis and the Corbin Carrolls for Sea Otter as well as for Bees Needs.